To the untrained eye, a noisy, bustling science lab on GW's campus after school may look like a bunch of kids watching a hunk of metal move around a random assortment of objects. But these geckos are honing the engineering skills they take to Dallas, where they'll compete in the VEX Robotics Competition.
So right now we're just honestly just practicing rerunning the code, seeing what we could fix. It's just mostly we're focusing on our driver. So we're just giving our driver like the most admin time they could, just to drive, just to practice, strategize, analyze the best way to score points.
We have been trying to make possible solutions for this game. The game, we've had it since it was released last April-May timeframe, and we got all these field elements in October. So since October, we've been trying to just build a solid robot that is efficient and effective and reliable.
For the progression of this robot, that we've come across many challenges, but all of them were accomplished by taking them one step at a time.
By designing a robot that can avoid obstacles and complete objectives, these students are putting physics, kinematics, and material science and design into tangible action.
Everybody does have a job. We have a programmer, we have a driver, we have builders, we have the engineering notebook, we call them logistics.
But most of the times we're working on the robot, and we're trying to find the best path and what's best for the robot.
And then we also work together to reset so we could just run it again and keep going at high speed.
On this team, everyone's got a role and everyone does their job. Coders, fabricators, evaluators, and more work as a team. But things can and do go wrong, so a key part of being a razor-sharp engineer is fixing on the fly.
So our trip to San Diego, we didn't have a fully functioning robot, or what to I believe. So when we went there, we actually started taking out the drivetrain, the wheels, but then eventually we persevered and we got through it.
There's so many facets to this that are problems where they have to decide what is more important right now. What do I want to solve, this problem, or do I want to solve this problem? Which one gives me more points? Which one is more beneficial to the team? And what can our robot do?
A requirement for the competition is enrollment in JROTC in line with the military's plans to ramp up STEM skills for future servicemen. So all the members of GW's traveling team are also cadets, adding to their discipline and teamwork. And they also had help from the rest of their classmates.
The growth that I've seen from them from when we first started to now it's mesmerizing, and I'm truly proud of the entire team for their hard work.
So as they head out to the Lone Star State, these purple and gold roboticists are excited to show what they've built. And their coach uses her background in sports to get everyone on the same page.
Yeah, I was working with GFA and the women's national team. And with that, I was the team manager. So that is all logistics. Everything, it was everything on the back end that is tackling one problem at a time. And that's exactly what I try to teach them to do. Change one variable at a time. If you change too many variables, then you don't know what solved the problem. And with soccer, it's the same thing.